to show you how to help you to turn on your PC that won't turn on, such as you see it's not turning on, there's no any light. So what you need to do is just close your PC. In battery here, you have to remove it. Put it aside, then take up your PC, open it. What you need to do is hold for 30 seconds. This will help recharging your PC. It's short. I think our 30 seconds is enough. Then after that, don't put it on. Just take your adapter, then put it on. Here, see? Then what you need to do is just switch from time. Then let's see. You see, then our PC has started it. So it's very easy and tutorial that will help you turn on your PC. That's all. As you can see, it's on now. Thank you for watching, and this, I hope you'll like it.